Hey guys, so we're going to start off this tutorial by taking some Vaseline on an applicator brush and just applying the Vaseline on the back of the lace on the wig. This will help us prevent from staining the lace. And now I'm taking some Shimmer Lights purple shampoo just to give the wig a shampoo bath to remove any of that yellow tint from the hair. And now I'm taking some Adore color and ginger, sunrise orange, and French cognac. And I used a whole bottle of ginger and a whole bottle of French cognac and a half a bottle of sunrise orange. And when you're doing the watercolor method, you don't need a lot of water. The more water you use, the more dye you will need. And just dip your wig in there. And I did use hot water, as you can see the steam. And now I'm taking a brush just to make sure I'm getting every strand colored. And now for the roots, I'm taking dark warm brown and honey brown by Kiss Tintation and applying that to the roots. And you want to be very careful applying dye to the roots because you do not want to dye the knots. And I like to use a rat tail comb and my applicator brush. I like to use both when applying color to the roots. The comb just helps me get a better blend so it doesn't give that harsh line. And now that I applied the color all over the frontal of the wig, I'm just gonna do the first two tracks and apply that color. So if my client wants to pull her hair up in a half up, half down look, the roots will look consistent as if I colored the roots all throughout the wig and give that seamless blend. Okay, so this is the next day. I let the hair air dry, and now I'm just spraying some heat protectant spray. I'm gonna use some a wax stick to tame the flyaways, and some hairspray by Sebastian Shaper, well, Professional Sebastian, whatever. And taking my hot comb just to mold the hair and flatten the hair out. And me applying the hairspray, it does not make the hair stiff at all. It literally just, mold the hair into place. And also it helps like tame the hair for whichever way I want to lay my part. And you will see how good this color looked on the client at the end of the video against her nice chocolate skin. It looks so bomb. And I'm taking some argan oil and applying that on the hair. And it just helps me get a nice silky smooth to the hair when I flat iron it. I'm taking my Baby Bliss flat iron and chasing it with a comb, a rat tail comb, and only doing one pass. And if you made it this far into the video, I want you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like, comment, and subscribe. Not like, comment. Like and comment this video. And if you want to see more hair dye tutorials, just also leave a comment. If there's any type of other videos you would like for me to do, just leave a comment and let me know. And thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next. Bye.